What's good, everybody? Hey man, so today we're gonna be customizing a jacket. And to get started, we're gonna put this white paint that we got as the base color of the jacket, and then we're gonna paint on top of it. That's gonna make all the colors really bright and vibrant. So without wasting time, let's get right into it, my brothers. Oh yeah!
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple blacks, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, and this one is for the champion. I ain't lost since I began. Funny how you said it was the yeah. Then I went did it again. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Get your soul, just tell him I ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway.
Alright, so guys, next up we're gonna take this red paint that we got right here, and we're gonna put it right on top of that white paint that we just put. And we're gonna put a couple layers so we can make sure the paint is looking right and popping from a distance. Oh yeah!
Get your soul, just tell him that the break is over. Need a couple number ones, need a pack on every song.
Ah shit, guys, oh my god. Man, I guess accidents happen, right? But hey man, let's clean this up real quick before it sticks on the clothes, because if it does, guys, we are up. Amen. Guys, that almost gave me a heart attack. I don't know what I would have done if that paint didn't come off. But anyways, guys, now that the cleaning process is done, we can get back to painting our jacket. Oh, let's get it, baby.
Five foot up, begging me for a body. They like, stop letting these niggas try. We ready to slide, big bro. Right sitting up, shitting on everybody, hanging out the window with that fire. They ready to fire shit up. Price went up. I'm charging double today. I just popped the pill, she popped the pill. The pussy in trouble today. Ain't gonna be no more welfare for me. You can keep letting the government pay. No, I can't see not that nigga playing with me. If they do, hope they ready to play. Yes, sir.
Alright, guys, so next up, we're gonna be working on the teeth. We're gonna make sure the teeth are looking nice, white, and bright. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna use titanium white. That's gonna make it look really bright, you know, shouting from a distance. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Okay, I'm ready for Bay. Niggas white t-shirts at a birthday party. They scared of the cake. Put the world on my shoulders. You can get up there too. Big dog, I can carry the weight. Earrings, having 7 carats in each ear. Do the math, that's a carry today. My bitch and your bitch and his bitch mine. Yeah. I said it off and kept it on, but they must have forgot how the fuck baby coming. I'm ready to shit on these little niggas this time. Clean as a bitch with a big iron. Yeah. I'm rocking shit, go ask my mama. She probably tell you I ain't with the talking. You see that boy, pull that bitch, I better get out. Get out, get out. What it sound like when I get the hit? Yeah, nigga, under me, that's a lottery ticket. You think buddy cool, I don't follow the nigga. It's the gun and the joggers for me.
Alright, guys, you know, after painting hours and hours on end, bro, I just be laying around. I play around, throwing things around, you know, playing catch by myself. I get up, put on some music, I dance around the house. But hey, we still got a lot of work left, man. Let's get back right into it. Yes, sir.
I just feel like, what's the point? Is it me talking or is it the joint? Put my trust in you, so don't disappoint. Fly from LAX, we straight to Detroit, yeah. Too many bitches wanna fuck me. If I ever show you feelings, bitch, you lucky. I'ma beat that pussy up until you love me. But if you ever do me wrong, it's gon' get ugly. Is you in for me or no? Cause if you not, I got some hoes on go. Will we ever work? I don't know. Cause I feel like I should have a bitch by my side that's gon' treat me right. I can never tell a fucking lie when I'm in this mic. Cause you want fights, and I'm not Ike. So I just might, in my night. You want some other shit? If I say I'm only f***ing you, then f*** the other. That was a one-time thing. I know that you don't wanna believe me though. You said you done, but you still see me though. I know you mad, but do not leave me, bro.
Alright guys, so this is where we are after the whole process. And I was looking at the jacket at this point, and I was really thinking of, stopping right here, because this is basically what the customer wanted, right? But then when I was really looking at it, I felt like I wasn't done with it. I felt like I had more space. I felt like I had more ideas to put into the jacket. And after doing some outlining, here and there, putting some white lines down, some other red lines, I really got done with the jacket, and I decided to add some more rhinestones to it, to give it a little touch to it, make it shine, make it popping. And after all this little detailing and stuff, guys, this is how the final product turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop that like, hit that subscribe button, and share, man. Share the video. See you next time. Goodbye.